You might be asking yourself, why do I have two Rubik's Cubes on my dinner table? Especially while I'm eating dinner. Well, this one is not a Rubik's Cube. And in fact, it's a salt grinder. As you turn the top layer, it grinds salt. This one, it's a pepper grinder. As you turn it, pepper comes out. You can tell them apart because red is the pepper and white is the salt. Anyway, kind of cool. The other cool thing about this video is I'm shooting it on my new iPhone, so we'll see what the quality looks like. Alright, thanks for watching.